Hey YouTube, it's Alicia. I want to have a little story time and what went down yesterday at the dentist. And I know y'all kind of worried, like Alicia should not be able to do videos. Well, I'll get on to that a little bit later in a story time. It's been a while since I did a story time, but that's not what this video is about. But I'm here to show you some more DIYs, home decor, what I have been actually doing. Y'all, so without further ado, let's get started. So I know everybody here on the tube probably have seen some girls on here have done DIYs of home decor and everything. Well, I'm one of those girls that is into that. I have done a lot. I have done artwork. I have seen me do custom artwork. I have two art pieces I will be putting up in here a little bit later. And one that's going to be taking the place where my accomplishments that I wanted to do for YouTube. I'm just going to have to put that up. So I'm going to talk about a couple of things, what I have accomplished this year. But that's going to come at a later date. But before I do, let's get started before I forget. So I wanted to come and show you. I was in probably about a week or two ago. I first of the month. Here we go. Around the first of the month, I went in my Dollar Tree here in Mississippi, in being on start on Highway 12 in Starkville, and what I found was these plain black, yeah, they was black, plain black, silver, black mirrors, and I took the mirrors out. I'm not putting no backing back on there or nothing. Now, what I end up doing is I end up spray painting them and gluing the mirrors in there. But I end up using some very strong grip glue for the mirrors. E6000, if you want to make sure your mirrors don't come out or anything, yeah. So, and then what else I did was let me see how I can say this. I brought five of them. And I had nails bling, and I blinged out the side, and that took about a couple of days to do. So here is what the mirror is looking like. So I'm gonna come up on there for you can see the bling on the side. Yeah, there you go. That is the bling, and it's look just like this, and it's five of them. And what I'm going, and then I in the corners of them, I also put them in there. And so what the next thing is, I have to find something to hang them on, because I just think these are so pretty and stuff. And I mean, this is a real cool, like you don't want the, let's say, plain Jane. Excuse me, y'all. I feel like something was on my face. You don't want no, plain Jane type like mirror. So you like go on Amazon, buy you the nail bling. Take the Adele sticky tack glue and clear and let it do that. I mean, it's one of the best things I ever did. I used it on this mirror. Um, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait and show you this other thing, this garbage can I'm working on. Y'all, it is. It's a lot of work, but I'm happy. I mean, when it's me and stuff, I find things that I like doing. I love DIYing. That's just that, and I love to try to find things that do things that people wouldn't think to do to things. And I think I found something to, you would never think to do using nail bling, especially the rhinestone nail bling on pictures and everything. So y'all, what is the unusual thing. And the question of the day for this is, what is an unusual thing you have used from the nail department to bling out a home decor piece? All right, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below,